next one. So the next one is on paper folding. So how do you solve this? A piece of paper is folded and punched as shown below. From the options, from the given responses, identify how it will appear when opened. So how do you approach such questions? See, first you are folding the paper like this, then second fold, right? Now this is how the fold is. At this point you are cutting it like this. Now you have to find out the how it will appear when it is opened. So might be in such questions you can try to do it in steps. Okay, try to open the figure, like try to open whatever you have cut towards the end in steps to arrive at the answer easier. Okay, so here this is the last step, right, and I have made a cut like this. So how will I open it up in the next step? I have to open it like this, right? So I will have something like this. So what will happen if I have made a cut here, right, when it is folded, then that cut will come here also when I open it, correct? This cut will be there here also. Now what am I doing it? I am opening it upwards. So basically it's going to be like this, right? This line is here. So when I open it upwards, what will happen is, if there is a cut here, there should be a cut here also. Similarly, if there is a cut here, there has to be a cut here also. So this is how your image will appear, right, after you finish all the, after you finish opening it completely, correct? So which answer will it be? See, the way I have drawn it, it looks a bit, see, it will be like this, no, if you draw it to length. So this is how they have made the cut, right? So finally when I open it, it's going to be like this. Which answer is correct now from the options? The way I have drawn it, it looks a bit hazy, so I have drawn it correctly here. So definitely the correct answer is going to be option B. Clear? In each of the following question, a paper sheet is folded and cut according to the given diagrams. Then after opening the diagram, so obtained is given in one of the 5 alternatives given below in each question. Find out the correct answer. So again a question on paper folding and cutting. What do you do here? As I said, trace back. That will be easier. Okay, so now you have a rectangle like this where you have made 2 cuts like this. Now I am opening it, okay, one step. So how will the figure look? It should look like this, right? So how will my cuts be? See, I have made a cut like this, means that should come on this side also. So it will look like this, right, when I open it. When I open it by one step. Now next what am I doing? I am further opening it to which side? So this is when I just open it like this, this is what I get. Then I have to open it like this to get this final answer, right? So I am opening it further like this. Basically there are 2 layers here right now. So when I open it, what should happen? See, I should have 2 more such similar cuts, right? Already these 2 cuts were there. So when I open this half, I open it like this. Here also there should be 2 such cuts. So which is my answer? Sorry, my diagram is not up to scale, but I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. So the correct answer here will be option C. Okay, again here very easily just by looking at the options you can find the answer. See, if I am making a cut like this, right, in the first, when I open it one step itself, this is the figure that I am getting. So definitely I won't get a square, I won't get a triangle, and already I have got 2. So when I open it further, I will have more. So obviously you can eliminate these 3 options. Again, you cannot get a triangle. Look at the shape of this image that we have got. It's like a hexagon. It's a hexagon, right? So this is also not true.